I think there is the potential for some isolated severe storms. Don't think we're going to get into any widespread severe weather, but certainly need to alert it to it, and that's why the Storm Prediction Center also has a slight risk for severe weather out for almost all of central Indiana. Now, here's a live look at Storm Team 6 radar, and you notice there is one cluster of storms just now starting to enter the western side of the state, basically just getting ready to cross into Indiana from Danville, Illinois, right along Interstate 74. This cluster of storms, not severe, but heavy rain and a lot of lightning, is going to be making its way into the Williamsport area here, eventually Veedersburg, as we get a little closer to the bottom of the hour. But what's going to happen, since we're getting into the peak heating of the day, we are going to expect additional thunderstorms to start to flare up here across Indiana on an isolated basis, and then this wave of storms that's off to our west will start to move in a little bit later on this evening. So we'll kind of deal with storms off and on virtually at any point now from this point forward throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. But you notice again how isolated they are. If you don't see the thunderstorms, you're going to continue to have hot and humid conditions with hazy sunshine across the area. So if you do have afternoon and evening plans, I wouldn't cancel them at this point. The better chance of rain will be later on this evening for the evening commute, and then into the nighttime hours. Once the sun sets, this is probably our strongest wave and also the best potential of seeing severe weather. So most of the thunderstorms this afternoon, non-severe, could put down very heavy rainfall, but it's really this evening and into the overnight hours that will have the potential for damaging wind. And I think that is our biggest threat on our scale here from 1 to 10, with 10 being high. Damaging winds at an 8. Could be some localized flooding, as some of these thunderstorms could produce a quick 1 to 2 inches of rain, and then not too concerned about the hail threat throughout the afternoon hours. So a lot of times thunderstorms and the potential of severe weather grab the headlines, but you can't forget about the heat and humidity. That is dangerous too, and we're kind of getting into that territory right now. 84 in Indianapolis, 88 in Kokomo. But look what happens when you factor in the humidity, which is sky high throughout the area. Almost feels like 96 degrees right now in Terre Haute. Feels like 92 in Indianapolis. Almost 90 is what it feels like in Peru. So heat index values for just about everybody this afternoon will be in that 92 to about 98 degree range. So that is dangerous levels. Try to limit your time outdoors if possible. Wait till the sun starts to go down a little bit. And of course, drink plenty of water as well. Now, tomorrow's not quite as hot, but it's still just as humid, with almost a daily chance of thunderstorms from start to finish throughout the course of the afternoon and into the evening hours. Probably no severe weather tomorrow, but some locally heavy rainfall. But what that front will do is drop the humidity as we head into Friday. Turns less humid with just the chance of a spot storm. And at this point, Mark, the weekend looks pretty good. Saturday's dry, 82 degrees. Just the chance of a few spotty storms in the forecast on Sunday. And of course, stay with us. Colin and Kevin will take you throughout the afternoon and evening hours as we start to track some of those storms.
That's right.